congratulations on making it to the end of this chapter. I know we went through a lot with Benz and I about the functionality of ChatGPT, how to use prompts and modifiers, and now it's your turn to really dive in and ask ChatGPT to deliver you specific information. So what I want you to do is ask ChatGPT to act as a specific role in your prompt, use the prompt formula that we discussed, and use specific modifiers. So just a very tiny example could be, I want you to act as a Michelin star chef and create a recipe for yellow curry, or act as a travel guide and plan a 6-day trip to Paris for my family trip. So these are very tiny examples. I would like for you to get more in-depth and more specific with your prompts to see what information you can come up with and how you can get ChatGPT to really give you the exact data and information that you're looking for.